We're going to give you a short demonstration on how to use the number 6750, a single shot decorative nail gun. Remember never to aim this at anyone and never put the nails with your fingers on this gun. The gun comes with a board that all of the nails have to be put on first. This barrel also has a magnet that you just put it over, it picks up the nail. Due to the barrel, you always get a nice even spacing between the nails. It also comes with two other types of barrels. This is a 3/4 diameter barrels for a 3/4 inch nail, obviously, and this is a 5/8. So these are sold separately with this gun. It's very easy to use.